got to review this time? It looks like an alarm clock!
Very interesting.
Let's unbox.
I can't, I am disabled.
Cringe. Right, here we go.
This is my hat for the rest of the video, guys. If it fits. Whoa,
Savage
bits
moments.
of box, you see this?
Savage moments.
So,
Whoa. Look at this quality. Like,
I'm gonna eat these later on for a dare challenge or something, and you're all gonna see me die.
they smell really nice after eating them. Right, let's get it plugged in. Sleepy time. Unbox. Reviews. Unbox. Ah! Thunder! Whoa, that worked me up good, guys. Now let's try the other one. Hit it. Subscribe. Give me my diamonds. Give me my diamonds. Like our videos. Wait. Hi guys, second unboxing.
Yeah, but another thing, and it's to look at Joe's pretty face so he can look at himself in the mirror in the morning. See, look at that mirror. 3 times.
Oh yeah.
What does it say 3 times?
I've got some greys there. Guys, is it me or do I have greys? Hang on. Obviously do. Oh, greys.
I won't look at myself now. I see this beautiful, handsome boy. Whoa! Guys, 3 times zoom.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna pick this off this mirror.
You can see all the spots on your face.
Thanks! Yee!
And look,
I'm trying to peel the 3 times sticker off, Joe.
hang on. I want it because I want to show the the watchers.
Viewers.
So
Can't stand that close to the camera.
Sorry.
Just see your belly. You nugget.
I'm sorry.
You just broke the mirror. Oh God, guys. Right,
Look, guys. You can see yourself. Whoa! How cool is that? And there's me.
Yeah, it's good showing the people have very expensive viewing
that's
equipment.
you. That's you. Well, if you like and subscribe, you can and view more and make multiple accounts to subscribe over and over again.
Stop begging.
Maybe we could have better equipment. Okay, guys? Yeah. Bye,
Stop begging.
guys. Bye.
Woo!
I thought you were behind there.
Oh, hi, Ted.
Here you go.
Thanks. We got chocolate milk. How much is still left in my McNugget? Right, guys. We'll see you in the next video, where we're hopefully unboxing something different. It might be a PC, might it, Joe?
Yeah, getting a PC. Pretty excited.
Are you gonna announce them out, or am I gonna do it?
Guys, we're going because we're eating milkshakes now, so you better like and subscribe. I'll give you a free milkshake. Yeah, if you like and subscribe, I will give you a free milkshake. I'll send it for the post, and sorry if it tips over in the post or something. Well, bye bye. Comment in the section below. I'll be back.
Yes, we will be back. See you guys.
Backbone.